gotten to realize that now technology is the one running the whole world.
Okay.
For instance, the course that we are doing now, what even with our models now has
Mm-hmm.
been sent to us through electronical way. Before, if not this method, we would have been moving around with books, load that will put us or may cause you a whole lot of weight. But with this, with technology now, you just take your phone, you go to the website, whatever it is, you open your models, then you read through without any stress. So I think these are some of the reasons why made me because it has eased working for us.
Okay. Enim, Asantua.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
The reason why I offered for computing is to help me acquire essential digital skills
Mm-hmm.
for myself. Yes.
But not for your husband or boyfriend.
No, for myself, for my future, for my own. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, welcome. Mm. Okay. Now,
Which you see is full of what?
you can see my screen, is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Okay. Now, well, what you said, the reason why we are learning what's the basic word computing. So, at first, the reason why we're having computing is that when computers came, okay, what were we doing?
We were using manual.
Thank you. So, by means of automation, okay, we start using what? The computers. So, the computers came and automate most of what? Our working processes by solving the manual process. Then we say no. We are moving from computing to IT, which is what? Information technology. Information is process data, and technology is what? Application of science in solving what? Problems. Is that not it?
That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is what we refer to as what? Please hold on, I'm coming in. That's what we refer to as what? Information technology, meaning using the IT to solve what? Using the information we have to solve our problem. Because IT is information technology. Information is processed data, and technology is application of science in solving what? Problems. Now, then people sat down and say, no, people shouldn't be selfish. The problem that you solve, why don't you also share with me so that I can also use to solve my problem? Then we move from what? We move from just the IT to ICT, which help us towards communicate with what? The data that we've been able to what? Acquire. Did you understand it?
No, not yet, sir.
Yes or no?
Not yet.
No.
No, sir, please.
Sir, your
No,
network is not.
sir, network is not good.
The network is
breaking.
not good. We didn't hear part of it.
For me, my network is
So
good.
we are not hearing anything.
Do you mean my network is good?
Your line is totally fainted. So you come already, are not
The
getting it.
network is very bad.
We can't even hear anything.
My network is bad.
Yes, please.
Very
I'm
bad.
so-
Very bad.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Your network
I'm
is
so-
so good.
Are you sure it's your place or my place?
Your place, sir.
Your place, so
Sir.
One man against the word.
I'm even surprised. So, me that I'm using investing network, if people are telling me my network is.
It seems like that is okay.
Sir, I heard you said we are moving from IT to ITT. If you can explain that.
ICT.
Uh-huh. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I'm saying is that IT, okay, computing is the process of moving from manual way to automation. Meaning we stop using the manual and using computer in our day-to-day activity. So if you just use the computer, it means you've automated your system. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, just assuming if computer started in 1970, when we go to 1980, people say, no. Let's move from computing to IT. Why should we move from computing to IT? They say, no. Now, we should not just be using the computer, but we should use the computer to solve our problem, which is what? Information technology. Information is, you've processed the data. Now, I've used the data to solve what your problem. That's what technology. Is the explanation clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Then when we go to it from the 1920 or the 2020, they say no. Now people shouldn't be selfish. The computer that they've used it to solve their problem, they should also share with others, or others should also be able to use to solve their problem. Then make us to move from what? IT to what? ICT. So from 2020 going, all what you go, whatever you hear now is you don't hear IT again, but you hear ICT. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's where we are. All because of what? Computers. In that case, then what is the computer? Uh-huh. Okay, Gifty.
So, sir, computer is an electronic device used in collection of data, processing for a final result. That's what I understand by the explanation you've given us.
That's what you understand by what the computer is. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Two words can also define a computer for us.
Sir,
Yes, boss.
it is a machine or electronic device that enables us to process information, retrieve, and share information between one or two or more computers.
Hey, explain it again.
So it's an electronic device that enables us to process information, retrieve information, and share among two or three computers.
Mhm. Is that so?
Yes, sir, if you permit me.
Uh-huh. Okay, who was?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Okay, sir. Please, it's an electronic device that
Mm-hmm.
takes in data, process it, and produce output.
Electronic device that does what?
That takes in data,
Mm-hmm.
process
Mm-hmm.
it, and produce output.
Okay. No bad.
Can I come in?
Okay.
Okay, computer is an electronic device that receives data, process the data based on instructions, produce information and store the information for later use.
Okay. All of us have said some, but we are saying that the computer is an what? Electronic device. Okay. Yeah, accept data as what? Inputs. And process it, okay, based upon what? Set of words, instructions, and has what? The capability to what? To store. Please, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Master,
Sir,
if you can
please,
come, Master,
to
if you
explain
can come again, we do.
take
Come again, we do appreciate.
I would say that a computer is an electronic device that accepts data as what? Inputs. Process it, okay, based upon what? Set of what? Instructions.
Instructions.
Okay. To produce and what? Information, okay, a useful information. Then has the capability to what? Store. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we are saying is that all computers has what? They are made up of electronic what? Devices. Okay. Then also have what? Inputs, okay, process, output, and what? Storage. Now, the reason I ask why do you need it, because in this 21st century, you cannot survive in any work without the use of what? Computers. Before the COVID, I hope you were hearing the rumors that by the year 2020, majority will lose their work. Whilst others will gain work. Then the COVID-19 hit us. So with the advent of the COVID-19, it's changed the way we work drastically. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, a lot of works are now being called remote works.
Yes, sir.
Now, and we can see that now greater percentage of individuals use computer to complete their tasks in everyday world life. Because of the wide use of computers these days, it has encouraged that everybody should gain some level of knowledge when it comes to the use of what? Computers. So with our definition, we were able to deduce that the task that the computer can perform is what? Inputs, process, and what? Output. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if you look at, let's look at this, the von Neumann model. The von Neumann architecture. Now, what do you see? You see that your definition of computers stands on this principle. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So the task the computer can perform is that takes in data as input, process it based upon instruction, okay, and generate and what's output. Now, what are some of the characteristics of computing? The computer has what? High speed capacity. Is that not it?
Yes.
Okay. Then, as we know, garbage in, garbage what? Out. Okay. The computer is being able to produce as what? An accurate what? Resource. Then the computer has diligence. Okay. It does not become exhausted or worn out when used for a longer period. Then it has also what? Storage capacity. It has the ability to store and retrieve large amount of data or information. That has finite capacity of temporary data storage. Then versatility. Computers have wide range of what use. It carry out variety of what duties, which equal is. You can use computer to create a letter, document in one moment, then print the document or play music in the next. Computer also have a number of restrictions. Only the tasks that have been what programmed into what into the computer that can what be what perform. So now, since we know what the computer now is, who can tell us the component of the computer system?
What's that?
Yes.
The components are the system unit, the mouse, the keyboard, that's it, sir.
No.
Can I come in?
Yes, please.
The components of a computer is the hardware and the software.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't get it too. Explain it again.
The hardware and the software.
Hmm. So I'm saying, what are the components of the computer system?
Please, can I come in?
Yes.
Central processing unit. Random access memory.
Yeah, have I called you? I've not called you. I've called the lady and you are. Uh-huh.
Please, can I come in?
Yes, please.
Please, the components of a computer are the CPU, that is the central processing unit, the memory,
Mm-hmm.
the storage power supply unit, that's the PSU, the input
No,
device.
no, who else can help us? Uh-huh. I'm listening. Oh.
When you order Uber, they will tell you the price.
Okay, Enin Asantua.
Please, the components of a computer is the hardware and the software.
Hardware and the software. Okay,
Yes,
Doctor. Okay, Gifty. Enin.
Is the component of the computer system is the input device and then the output devices.
Is the input. Okay. Any last person? Okay. The component of the computer system, okay, is what we refer to as what? Hardware, software, data, and what? Users. Do you understand it? These are the components that if one affect the other will be what? Also what? Affected. So, assuming the computer is there, the part of the computer that we can see, touch and feel is known as what? The hardware. Is that not it?
Yes, sir.
And the set of instructions that tell the hardware what to do and how to do it is what is known as what? The software. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is. And the part of the computer that the computer needs to work, the food that the computer needs is what we refer to as what? The data. Okay. Then if the computer is there and no one operates it, will the computer function?
No.
No. No, sir.
No. That's what we refer to as what? Users, or also known as what? Lifeware. So when we talk about the three ways, hardware, software, data, and what? Users. Is the explanation clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Because the system you need, the keyboard, the monitor, all what you are mentioned are all for under the hardware. That's one main component. Because we said the main component of the computer system itself. Any question? Now, how do we classify computer? How do we classify computer? What are the various classification of computer? Now we know what a computer is. We are now going to learn how we can classify this. How do we classify computer?
Based on the question that you asked, hello. That is why at times we say when we come to
Sir,
Yes, please.
please, you can classify a computer. You can classify a computer by its size and capacity.
Let me pick this call.
The agency or the security man arrest or commit such an offense.
Yeah, Nani.
Other of the offender will help you to know how to handle the corporate. Maybe as you are human being, you are liable to offend. You might not know that maybe a GTD will be on the way. All of a sudden, will be bumped into them. Help you and start interacting you.
Are we there?
We are here.
Yes, sir. We are here.
Sorry, these foreign people, if they call you, they don't get you, they take advantage not to call again. Okay, now how do we classify computers? We have 5 ways of classifying computers. Okay. One, by size and words. Capacity. By data type. And by what? Purpose. When we talk about the size and capacity, the size and capacity talk about how big or small your computer is. Okay, so the size is how big or small your computer is. Then when we talk about the capacity, talk about how are the amount of data that the computer can process at a time. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
please.
Okay. So in that case, the highest processing capability computer is what we refer to as what? Supercomputer. Please mute yourself. You don't want to hear the. Are known as what? Supercomputers. So let's look at how a supercomputer is.
Hey,
Everybody who will disturb us will take -5 from the person's call. Don't worry.
thank you, sir.
Yeah, I say thank you, sir, for Manuel 5.
My keyboard. So you see how a supercomputer look like. So these are known as what? Supercomputer. They are high-end processing what? Computers. And their capacity is higher than any other computer. So they are normally used in the research area, such as NASA, okay, and the military. So in Ghana, we only have one at Kofi Annan ICT Center, which is shared by all West Africa. Then we have the mainframe computers. The mainframe computers, they are the computers that uses the terminal. If you talk about terminal, what do you mean by a terminal? Uh-huh. Hey, are we there?
Yeah, here, sir.
In your normal life, what do you know a terminal is? That's what I'm asking you. Or you've not heard about terminal before?
Sir, we've heard it before.
So what is it?
Sir, my hand is up. A terminal a terminal is a device that sends input to a computer and displays it out. Displays its output.
From Google, eh?
No, from mine. I jotted it. I was learning last week and I came across it. And I jotted it down.
Yeah, so 5 marks for that.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
Thank you.
In a normal, the question I was asking you for if it, I know bus terminal, I know airport terminal, I know a battery terminal. I hope you get it.
Yes, sir.
Then we say, bus terminals are terminal that serve as a junction between one station to another station. Airport terminal is a terminal that serves as a junction between what?
One airline
to
one
another
country to another country.
Then battery terminal is serve as positive and so look at the definition our sister gave. A computer terminal is a type of computer that serves as only input and output, but depend upon what? A centralized processor. I hope it's clear. Is it clear?
Yes, can you please repeat it?
Okay. So the computer with least number of terminals are known as what? Mini computer. And they are middle range computer. Then we have
Sir, are they under the classification of computers?
yeah, they are under the classification. And we are still under capacity and size.
Okay.
Then we have microcomputers. Okay. So microcomputers are the small computer that we use, which we call them PCs. So the component of the microcomputer is what you talk about: keyboard, mouse, monitor, and what? System unit. The type of microcomputer that have these separate parts are known as the desktop. And the part that have those parts as one is known as what? Laptop. And the small one that we carry or put it in our pocket is known as what? PDA, personal digital what? Assistance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So please, the system went off, and
From your day off, from me, my system are not gone off. So from where?
yes, sir. Some of us were not hearing for about 3 to 5 minutes, and
Hey, is it all of you?
No, sir.
And it was your place. So try and climb a tree so that you have a stable connectivity.
Yes, sir.
Don't mind me. Okay. So those are the type of computer that we classify under what? Size or capacity. We have the mini computer, mainframe, supercomputer, and microcomputers. And under the microcomputers, we have the desktop, we have the laptop, we have the PDA, which are personal digital assistants, our mobile phones, our iPad, and the iPod. Okay. And they are known as PC, personal computers. And the component of those devices are what? Keyboard, monitor, and what? System units. Is it clear? You see, when we saw the mainframe, can you differentiate the system unit from the monitor or the screen? Or this is supercomputer, you don't see those parts. But personal computer, you see those parts separately. Is that not it?
Yes.
Okay. Then when we come to by purpose, we have the special purpose and we have what? General purpose. The general purpose are the type of computer that you need the program to run it. So for instance, if I'm using my personal computer and I want to type Word, all what I need is Microsoft Word. If I want to use it for analysis, I need what? For presentation, I need the PowerPoint. So those type of computers are known as what? General purpose what? Computer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Then the special purpose, also known as specific purpose, they are the computer that are only designed to perform a specific task. So when we're about to do the biometric voting, Dr. Ferjan told us that the computer that he is bringing, we cannot use it for any other activity. If you steal it, you can't use it for any other activity, but unless you use it for what? Biometric election. And those are what we refer to as the special and specific purpose word computer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when in like the hospital, the one they use for a urine lab, it will be different from the one they use for what? Blood lab. Then when the last classification by data type, we have the digital, we have analog, and we have the hybrid. The digital computer are the type of computer that handle data discrete manner, which is the zeros and one. And the analog computers are computers that handle data continuously for measuring, for frequency analysis. And the hybrid are the type of computer that combine both words, the digital and the hybrid, the analog word together. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we can see that the computer hardware, okay, the part we use to take in the data is known as what? Input devices. The part that we use towards store the information is known as output device. So the component of the computer hardware are inputs, process, output, and what? Storage. And that's what we refer to as what? IPUs. So inputs, we have the mouse, we have the stylus, we have the microphone, we have the digital camera, we have the scanners, touchpad, and light pen. And the touchpad. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then when we talk about the output devices, they are also the devices that help us to display information on the screen. So we use the printer to display hard copies. Then we use what? The monitor to display what? Soft words outputs. Is that one clear?
Yes, sir.
Use the speaker to display what? Sound output, while microphone is used to display words inputs. Then when we come to the storage, we have two types of storage. We have the primary storage and we have what? The secondary word storage. The primary storage is what we refer to as what? The RAM and the ROM. And the secondary storage is what we refer to as what? The hard disk, the floppy disk, the CD-ROM, then the compact discs and what? Optical discs. So the RAM and the ROM are known as what? Primary storage, which are known as the main memory of the computer. So the RAM is what? Random access memory, and the ROM is what? Read-only memory. So when you are working, the content of the RAM sometimes goes off. So we said the RAM is volatile, but the ROM is what? Non-volatile. Is it clear?
No,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Oh, we are
Yes, sir.
saying the RAM.
The volatile means what?
The volatile is, it means that when you are working on your, like I'm working on my computer now, I'm working on what? The RAM. Okay. All the information are on the RAM now. as soon as there's power failure and I've not saved anything, I can't recover everything because everything is wiped off. Because it's wiped off, we say that the RAM is what? Volatile. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
But the ROM doesn't, the data doesn't wipe off. Because of that, we said it's not non-volatile. So ROMs are permanent, whilst RAM are what? Temporal. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So the types of RAM that we have is what? We have the programmable read-only memory. They are the type of RAM that the information has already been written from the manufacturer. Then we have the erasable programmable read-only memory. Like when you go to the phone shop, you say, I'm going to flash my phone. It means you want to erase the content on what? The ROM. Then we have electrical erasable programmable read-only memory. Those we use electricity to what? Write the content on what? The ROM. And it's only done in Ghana at Ghana Atomic Energy. Then when we come to the RAM, we have the dynamic RAM and we have what? The static RAM. Then with data, we said 8 bits is equal to 1 byte. And the nibble is what? 4 bits. And I hope you understand this relation.
No, sir. If you can come again, explain furtherly to us, we will do it.
If I explain, I need a whole day. So maybe let's put it in at tomorrow evening. Around what time? So that I will teach the data representation. Alone.
That's
because
right.
I have to start from B, C, D. Okay. Then 4 bits, 6 bits before we go to what? 8 bits. And that one, I'll give you a Zoom link so that I can write on the whiteboard. Are we clear?
Yes, sir. Please, the classwork will communicate the time with you.
Okay. But first of all, go and read whilst 8 bits is equal to what? 1 byte. Okay. And a byte is equivalent to a character. So if I have, let me ask you, what is the ASCII in A? It is what? 010001. Let's find out here. So you see, ASCII is 01000000. So you see, it is what? 8 bits. Is that not it? Which is equivalent to what? 65. I will teach you why it's equivalent to what? 65. And EBCDIC is what? 11000001. And the ASCII is data representation. We have ASCII, we have EBCDIC, and we have what? Unicode, which is the universal code. Any question? Any question? Okay, so now we are moving to the system units. When we talk about the system units, the system units is the brain of what?
Sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, please, is that the module you are using to teach us?
Yes, please.
Oh, okay.
Why you don't have it?
Sir, we are yet we were not given, so they said They gave it out. They gave us the software.
Yeah, but the software I'm using, you don't have this one.
Yeah, we have
The
it.
reason being is it is on our phone, and we are using the same phone for the lecture, so we find it difficult to go through that one.
Okay, don't worry. So in the evening, then you go and read.
Yes, sir.
But sir, I want to make a little suggestion.
Okay.
Because today is our first time of attending the lectures like this for the whole day. You can even testify that you can the class
You are
is boring.
tired.
We are tired. So
Okay.
if
Let me leave you. So tomorrow
we
evening.
continue, then I think we should pause here.
Okay. Okay. So tomorrow let's push it around 8 in the evening, so that by the time everybody has gotten home, then we do it.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
This in the basic computing, they make us small.
The way they were saying basic, I thought it's the basic. No, this one is beyond basic.
It's very hard. The thing
Yeah, okay, I see you. I see you.
Please,
Anything.
Cosrep should
I don't
update.
even know if it's the network or what. Couldn't even hear anything.
Oh, sorry.
Please, the Cosrep, I think this class section is being recorded. So if the Cosrep
think
can
so.
put it on the group.
Put it on the
Yes.
they are also teachers. See, all of us, we are blessed with everything.
Louis, we can hear you.
Luis, I want to know if the lecture is still on the line.
No, I don't think so.
I wanted to bring some suggestion because most of us have a perception or knows that this distance course is 2 weeks, and now hours are turned to 1 week. Let's find a day so that we and look at how we should go by things. Yes, my suggestion is because we all have it in the back of our mind that distance education is 2 weeks.
I don't think Louis' line.
Can you hear me?
I don't think Louis' line is clear because I can't recall because another one.
I'm not. No. Louis not the one.
But I think somebody was recording. What are you?
Well, we should talk to this bicycle. Oh, they should do something about this. All of us, we think it's 2 weeks. All of a sudden, it's turning to 1 week. 1 week there.
Sir, please, can you explain 2 weeks like how?
Every week we are coming here.
Every distance course, every 2 weeks that you go for class. For what some of us know.
So you know
it's
the
every
reason
2
why.
weeks that you go.
You know the
you
reason
go for
why.
a class.
Nicholas,
no.
You know the
now
reason
this
why?
one is 1 week.
No, explain to us.
Yeah, the reason is that we are late for lectures. You see, we are having presentation on the 7th, as well as the quiz is forthcoming. So they want to, if you see some of the lectures,
they have to speed up.
They are speeding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they want to catch up with some of the sessions before the quizzes.
Some of us, we are not fast learners. They should exercise restraint and teacher. Oh, some people come and talk and go. No, it's discouraging us.
It's good that they are recording some of the class sessions so that the course rep can. I don't know how he's going to do it, so that he will put it in the platform for some of us to visit it again and see if we can collect
Yeah.
some of
Yes.
them.
So because,
All my people,
for
my
example,
people, this is what I also suggested. Because the lectures has their own way of summarizing the note, which is their handout. Can we go by it in the sense that we will apologize to them if at least we will contribute something small and give them so that they will give us their full handout. Then that one will be with
You,
us.
you see the full handout. You see the full handout. I remember they once put it on the platform, but it was through the full handout, and they have shortened it. They have summarized the full handout because sometimes some of the lectures I have the models. So when they are teaching,
The summarized one I'm talking of is not the models. I'm not talking of the models. I'm talking of the summarized one.
This.
but they also do it from the main model.
Something for them so that they give
Yeah.
us the handouts. Else we are going to suffer.
Yes, I think it's not going to be possible because it's like a teacher writing his or her notes.
You can't learn from a teacher's notes.
Also, you also have to do yours. That's how they do. So I don't think it will be possible for them all to give us their notes. It's not going to be possible.
So
So I think when
But
I think when they are
do you know that lectures do give out their handout?
Yes.
Yes.
They
So what
have
about
the
that?
way they prepare it for students for consumption. They have the way they prepare. You see, what they are using is for teaching purposes. And if you want to follow some of them, their handouts, you later get confused.
I'm telling you.
So
They are
if we
using
should
the
ask
same.
them
They
that
are
they should
using the
prepare a
same
student
handout to
handout
teach us.
for us, I think that could be okay. Done.
And then if you could really observe, I was asking the lecturer if he's using the same model
Yes.
to teach.
Yes.
Yes, you could
For
see that it
the
was
one
on.
it was the same model.
It's the same model,
Yes.
but he just summarized it.
He just summarized it for us.
Yeah.
So I think the best way for it to help all of us is that because we are having the model on our phones, when somebody record it for us, at least whilst you are listening to it, you can be jotting something small down per your own understanding.
Yeah.
I think if you want to,
we are just in go to some place, master. We are confused.
That's why I'm saying that if you have the recording, when you have the recording, if you'll be able to jot. For example, me, I went on duty from morning. I just came and joined. This is the only class I am having.
Oh, okay.
So meaning I have to go back to the model to go and then do my small jogging so that if I have any question, I write it down. The next lesson, then maybe I can ask. So I think the best thing is the recording thing for us. If not,
they should also know. They should also know we are working.
Exactly.
How they are rational. Me, I was listening, and I went to the website to go and do something, take some suspects in and out before coming back. Some of the distance is not
So in
yes,
less
please,
than
I am.
we are almost done with 2 units.
I went for AMPAT.
Completed 2 units.
You work outside.
I'm an instructor, so you can imagine.
Okay.
So imagine
but what me, I'm a prison officer, but what I does is I on my phone and put it outside the yard. So a very short hour time, then I went and look at what.
So you are having the time. You are static, so you have the time. For me,
maybe that one I don't have the time.
Exactly.
So because of that, I'm saying if it can be possible, we will arrange with our lecturers or our registrar, so that at least if our lectures can be at least now framed to, even if it will be 6 o'clock to at least 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock for us in the evening, sir. I think that one will help us because today 5 solid subjects, 5 good subjects we are studying. My phone
Master, you two are talking like that too. Some of us will go to night work. We'll go
We
to
also
bias and we will not get them
That
to listen to this.
time also
Yes.
it will help some of us.
Nicholas.
That
So
one,
I think
that one is
the
another problem.
online. Yes,
It's
I
all
think the
online.
recording is okay.
They should maybe
Yes,
what I'm
the
suggesting is that
recording.
they should record it and
Exactly.
put it there.
At that one, even if you have
At
your
your
earpod, you can be listening.
But do you know something? Do you know something?
no.
Anytime class is going on, they are taking data of students who are around.
That is why we
They are
need to talk
taking,
to. That one is your personal thing. If you have a problem, you talk. That's why I think any lecturer that they put there, I think they put the name or the number there. I don't know, but I think I
yes,
saw something like that. So you just
yes,
take
there's
it.
a need.
But
Okay, so you
during
take
the
it.
orientation, that was this. They said if you have a problem, just contact your
Come again, Beatrice. Come again.
the course rep. The course rep. You also call it.
No, there is a noise. Beatrice, there is a noise.
So as now we have realized that most of us are workers.
They were saying if you have a problem,
So as
you
right now we
cannot
got to realize
attend
that most of us are workers. Let's have a way of packaging things together so that
Allow her to finish.
Beatrice, come here.
Allow her
Listen.
to finish what she's saying.
I think during the this orientation, they were saying that if you have a problem and you cannot attend lectures, contact the course rep so that he can also liaise with the lecturers so that they will know what to do.
Oh, okay. Then I think that is fair. I think that is fair. But then, Louise, I think so. I think the recording is going to help most of us. At least, even if you are free, yeah, at least you can put it in your ear and then you'll be listening to something. You see, for what we are saying, some of these books, it will surprise you that you take the book and read and you don't even understand, even though it's a reading subject. But then when they come in and then they give us a little bit of explanation as we are listening, then we'll be jotting our own things down. So I think it will help if you could help us down.
Susan, are you a police officer?
Yes, I am, madam.
Oh, okay. I'm also a police officer.
And madam, an instructor for that matter.
Oh wow.
You are stationed at where?
I'm at this in Tesano.
Tesano. Oh, okay.
Yes, so you can imagine. I went for party this Saturday. I couldn't capture all the. I only came to meet this one. And you can imagine now that recruits are also coming. You can imagine.
Yes,
I think
these people they should understand our how will I say our predicament because
I'll give the answers.
because, me, I was here. My boss told me that I should come and take somebody. I should come and take somebody to inquiry. I have to take him. I was on the line, but I wasn't talking. First day, pony. Hey.
This is serious.
I have a suggestion.
Okay, madam.
I am Alberta. And please, I realized that the ICT teacher or lecturer, he was very tired whilst he was lecturing.
Very.
I don't know.
Very.
Some of us.
We wanted to. I wanted to tell him that
from the beginning.
Well, he wanted to leave. So as soon as one
as soon
young
as
man
somebody said
mentioned
it,
that,
then he left.
Yes. It didn't even take seconds.
No, he did not even leave.
Yes.
So I would like
everybody is tired.
Everybody is
I would like to ask
Mr. James,
the course rep if you can talk to him.
everybody is
Are you
tired.
listening?
Maybe you got to
Everybody,
Santa
they
went
want
and
to
sleep
separate the
before
whole
coming
thing.
back.
Mr. James, Nicholas.
I think the class rep is talking. Louis.
Yes, I want us to
No.
summarize the whole thing and then we know what
No, I got it.
created to for
Louis, please,
and
I was
how to
making a
record the
suggestion.
lecture.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
But then are we done for today?
We are
Yeah.
done for
I
today.
think so.
Once the lecture has left, so we are done. So let's discuss
Oh,
our
okay.
own matter for about 20 to 30 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Louis, you were not hearing you.
I
Your
don't
this
know
thing,
if
your line
Mr.
was
Louis,
not clear.
please talk to the
So come
ICT.
again, so that we will listen to you very well.
In fact, please, I was saying that we can,
I think Alberta is making a suggestion.
yes, let Alberta finish his suggestion.